Welcome to Extra Time Unlocked. Weligena namhlanje ke we're bringing you another episode nalasibheka khona ke oku extra after extra time. Siyabonga kakhulu. Joining us namhlanje ku Extra Time Unlocked ucoach Kusuthu uArthur bambiza ngo 10 111 abamaziyo. Zwani coach asikubingelele egagasini. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi uqala ufika.
Yebo kokuqala
Eh
angibonge nje uBoot Pro ngokungivumela ukuthi ngize la. Ngibonge futhi nina kuGagasi ukuthi nis-invite kanti futhi nabalandeli nje bebhola at large ukuthi baxhase i-radio ukuthi silethele indaba ezimnandi njalo ukuze abantu bethu bazi ukuthi kenzakalani.
How do you assess isquad sakho neperformance nje kulama games esenikwazile ukuthi nisebenze kuona?
Ngicabanga ukuthi if ngizoyibheka ngendlela yoku-assessa ekubeni masifika isizini ebisiqalile ngicabanga ukuthi ngizobe ngikhohlisa mhlambe abantu abalandeli bebhola ngoba kuhlezi kunzima kaningi uku-assessa mawungukuthi isizini soku-in season kanti mhlambe opportunity oba nayo uma okwazi ukulay i-foundation from ku-pre-season. So engakusho nje ukuthi uma sifika no coach Kanu ebekumele sisebenzele phezu kwako more than anything else was ukuthi sikwazi ukulungisa izinto kodwa sithola ama-results ukuya phambili ngoba since akwazi ukulungisa izinto mangaba ama-results awatholi. So even though ama-results bewe blow besi blow hot and cold bekungana i-consistency yiloko besikubhekile ngaleso sikhathi but ke ezosho ukuthi since khathi uba nama-injuries ube nama-suspension to key players mani lokunilwa nifuna ukuthola ama-results. So engakusho nje ukuthi abadlali bazamile ngako konke ukusimita halfway nama-demands ebesiwaplaceile nje ukuthi yiloko kungayenza isimo sethu sibe ngcono. Mawubheka the quality futhi ye-squad esinayo ngicabanga ukuthi ke kwanceda kakhulu bekumele nje mhlambe kube i-case ye-mindset nje echangeayo ngoba makuleso simo umdlali time and again uthi uyazama mhlambe uzibona ngathi ucindezelekile uthi uyazama. So nathi masi-technical team the only thing that we had to do was to try manje ukulwe ne-mindset rather than ukucabanga ukuthi talent or ukucabanga ukuthi quality or but nje the mindset ukuchange the mindset. So kungakho mhlambe lokho futhi bekubuyisele emuva kancane ukuthi mhlambe nizowina 2 games and then nidlala i-draw or nilose ngoba once si-lose and then whatever beke phansi and then it kicks in again and then isibuyisela lapha futhi kulesa simo. So kungakho nama-sessions wethu bewa more mental than ukuthi sibe nje physical session. Bewe more mental. So just ukhepa abadlali baphume kulesimo lesibebekuso and then from there uzobona ke incubeka lapha phambili. So if ngizo-assess i-squad I would say ngakhuluma more nge-quality esinayo engicabanga ukuthi bengayenza kangcono kakhulu. So sazama ukuthola ukuthi what could be the reason kakhulu yabona mhlambe yenza ukuthi i-team ihlale kulesimo but yes silwisa lokho ukuthi kube better.
I'll ask this question nje coach mhlambe nami as a fan. Is it a matter of concern ke kubona goalkeeper nakhona? We've seen ama-concern akhona and also nama-mistake amancane from a goalkeeping department. Do you still believe ukuthi it's a matter of concern lapho kwi-goalkeeping department as well?
I think yazi kuba neslam ninokuba kusimo la khona ama-mistakes ayenzwa certain individuals uzucabanga ukuthi labantu ngathi bahlalela ukuthi na kule season nje kanti ke mozoyithatha ibheka on a positive note uzobuya ubheke futhi ukuthi nama goal scoring opportunities esiwa create la wele ku certain individuals laba ebekumele mhlawumbe if bebethathe lawo ma chance bebe uma right positions bayenza into ezi right ebeziplaniwe iplan execute kahle but uthola ukuthi the finishing touch yes let down. So makunjalo kuba nzima especially now uphuma kusimo thina esiphuma kuso mangithi thina bengumdlali nami.
Yeah.
So kuningi okwenze kahle kuningi futhi engenzeka engakwenzanga kahle. So now ngibuye ngicabanga ukuthi these are human beings.
Yeah.
The only danger yayo ukuthi sikuphi ngaleso sikhathi makenzeka lezo zinto. Ngoba vele uzothi mawuthi uyabheka imidlalo eminingi siyidlalile if besingayenzanga these mistakes ezinye trust me omunye umuntu uzocabanga ukuthi ngiyazikhulumela nje ngoba ngichaza ukukhuluma kodwa uma ngabheka probably lawo ma games athathe something like 21 points from us since isifikile.
Yeah.
Uyabona?
Yeah.
So sibuye sikhumbule ukuthi nama opponent nawo ke ayaplana afune ukcapitalize so naw batholile ungabaphanishi nabe kutholile bona bazokuphanisha ngeyakhe mistake. Uyabona? So yinto enza nje ukuthi kube nzima ngoba ubheka futhi imistake before ifika kulomuntu wokugcina lo mbono yenza imistake ukuthi kahle this was a chain yama mistake.
Yeah.
Ize yafika la ifika khona and then yaba costly. Unfortunately wonke umuntu nakebona uyibona kumuntu wokugcina. So ngicabanga ukuthi labo bantu there's a lot of quality. There's a lot of quality but also unfortunately there is no room for ama mistakes azoyenzakala consistently uma individuals at this level. Mele kuba nesikhathi sokuchange uyabona. So luckily for iClub ukuletha u-Ofori create that competition and you must have seen uveli naye nakebuya try this level best. So ngoba sometimes as a player or any other individual you need sort of like a competition so that you get a wake up call unga-relax now. So I think kuleyo department I think a composition is stiff and both of them bayenza ama mistakes that are elementary ku football you expect ukuthi ayenzakala ngoba uzobheka emuva ezusho ukuthi these are two international these are big boys. So Ofori was out for some time before he came to AmaZulu. Nemaka join AmaZulu, so he was a bit rusty as well. But you don't doubt the experience yakhe. So the more adlala is the more confidence yakhe ibuya and siyazi ukuthi uzonceda i-team kakhulu.
Coach, after 25 games, esenudlalile, and I'm looking at the few games that are remaining as well. And if we beg from the position that you are in, 7th position, and looking at some team below you, there's a small difference of our points. Nakon. Looking at the 5 games, 6 games, Susele with 1 game, Zesipumile, Royal AM, Nakon. How do you then plan around Lama games Asesele and also maintaining your position with top 8 going forward?
Ukhuluma nje iqiniso it's all or nothing for Tina. If we are to be in a better position. See, njengoba ngishilo before uyabona sizifaka kulesimo kanti kube sazikhipha kudala kulesi ezingisho ngithi mawubheka imidlalo ebesiyiphethe esicreate enough chances ngakubalela wona amanye size sascore sahlekiwe kwathiwa siscore 4 goals in 1 game. So you take that 2 points nje uede yona nje sa 30 point but now add nje leyo 2 points and then isibheka amanye ama games mhlambe la ekhaya siconsider kungamelanga siconsider ngama mistakes wethu. The worst results you can get there is a point. So if you thatha lelo point ukuthi on the day awudlalanga kahle look at cheaper similar ama mistakes wethu uyabona ayafana but hayi ukuthi abadlali abafuni ukukhula abafuni ukwa-rectify sometimes lezo zinto zenzakala but isibuya ne-pressure yokudlala i-team of AmaZulu's caliber, the demands, the expectations. So since khathi idinga isikhathi leyo nto kodwa isimo nje sikuso khona manje yithi sizifakile kuyomele sizikhiphe futhi. So sina 4 games ngoba ngibali mina eRoyal AM okwamanje Kule 4 games sidlalile 12 points. So wonke lawa ama cup finals 14. So into esiyigcuzelayo kubadlali bethu ukuthi kuringa yona manje ukuthi sizifakele kulesimo. Kube manje sikhuluma ukuthi siya consolidate ku top 8. Si consolidate i-position 4. Hayi ukuthi leyo opportunity azange ifikile. We had about 5 if not 6 attempts. So kuba ku position 3 and position 4 at some stage. And buka yonke le midlalo including igame ye-Sundowns, we deserved better. And not from second round, even first half, because i-Sundowns saw consider late la ekhaya, actually in referee's optional time. And we had 3 clear-cut chances keeper to beat ngaleyo game leyo ye-Sundowns. And obviously now udlala ne-quality side like i-Sundowns, if you get 3, you have to at least bury 1.
Yeah.
And same applies to the second round, you know. So, you remember the game against the Pirates, Orlando Stadium. Yeah. I think last 15 minutes of the game could easily score 3 goals. Last 15 minutes of the game. But to be quite honest, Pirates was all over us. They created a number of chances. Azange consider in a lot of goals. So I consider lawa 2. But still opportunity yavela after start to score only 1 ukuthi at least we can get a point.
Yeah.
Away. So ilezo zinto lezo, but ke uma ni builder i-team nizama ukuchange mindset ama players kubuya that element ye fear. Once is consider i-player yenza mistake iphinde futhi yenza nayi lento iyabuya sebacala manje asisadlali within the structure na confidence emele sihlale ngayo. So siyaphenika manje ngoba sisaba ukuthi sizoqhubeka senza ama mistakes lawa costly yabona. So afuna vele ukuthi nje i-team ibe stable iqala, and then wonke umuntu abelievele kuye ne-team ibelievele wonke umuntu. So and then ke once sekustable wonke umuntu uzoyenza izinto ngepace right. But masiyenza izinto ngokuphenika, but ibuya from kuphi ukuthi masiqala isizini at some point besu number 16.
Yeah.
So sazikhipha lapho. So ngakho ngibelieve ukuthi nala kule simo esikuso sifana nokuthi siku number 16 ngoba si right on the edge yokuthi masingawini siyaphuma ku top 8.
Yeah.
And masiwina siya consolidate, but i-target asi top 8 sifuna ukuthi siqede better. And for mina anything can happen nakwamanye ama teams because khona basazodliwa abaphezulu kwethu bazodrop ama points thina nje ukuthi siwina ama games wethu, and iloko sikudemandayo.
Does it make it easy, coach, looking at ama fixture asele? I think it's one game le Stelis enidlala away, but most of our game, even ne derby against the Orioles in la ekhaya, last game yenu ndlala ne Pirates la ekhaya. Does it make it easy ke kuwena ukuthi okay, we're playing at home, gents, so what we need to do, make sure ukuthi astedela ama points, 3 points, well, it's target to 3, but even 1 is enough. Does it make it easy ukuthi the last games asesele in most yaba like high 1 game against the Stelis away? And does it make it easy ke Stelis being part of ICAF Confederations Cup, Pirates the last game, they still have a Nedbank Cup, they still have a CAF Champions League. Does it make it easy to plan around that?
No easy games. Depending kokuqala ukuthi Pirates mayiza kithi izoza ifunani. Uyabona. Mawubheka manje banarrow the gap. And then it gives Orlando Pirates a hope yokuthi they can challenge for the title.
Yeah.
So nabeza kithi beza, you know, but mina I would also prefer ukuthi beze kithi be challenge, because mase njalo iba exciting for South African football, the league and everyone. Iletha that spark umuntu rather than beze sebadlalela nathi, then baba dangerous because the mindset yama players wethu is anathi uyabona. So just for nje football nje ekhaya la eSouth Africa, I think if it will go down to the wire in terms of the championship title, that will be great. And also for some of our youngsters ukudlala nje ngoba kithi sina 4 cup finals. Asizibhanga opportunity yokudlala i-cup final ku Carling. Asizibhanga asiqualifyanga last season for i-top 8. asiziphangi opportunity yokudlala eNedbank. Unfortunately, things did not go our way. But sine opportunity ukuthi siziphe lokho ukuthi nayi 12 points at stake right now. Asibonise ni character kuyo. Technical team including number players.
And coach, you touched on having my young stars, giving them an opportunity. This is not question directed to your team, but in general, I've seen so many teams introducing the young stars, and you are one coach who believes like my young stars osebenze nawo kakhulu. Do you think now we're heading to that direction yokusebenzisa the young stars if you look at iphethini esikhona manje kwi-PSL?
Yeah, I think that has been happening for quite some time. Kunama teams like bona AmaZulu at some point we've been an average squad probably maybe 25. Knowing umsebenzi owenza coach Nini because bengimlandelela ngiloku ngikuchiefs ngoba bengazi ukuthi nabadlali abafana nabo umsindisi. Umsindisi I think the first time ngambona eMnambithi and ngasindwa inyawo usho ukuthi ngambona ngithi ngiyamthatha. So kanti ke ukuthi ngikhohlwe kunendoda ebeyisebenzela AmaZulu igama nje ngilikhohliwe bekayenza scouting. So besisonke lapho. So ngambona ukuthi yamfuna but ngathi hayi angeke ngikhulume ngoba manje uzogijima amthathe. But ngahamba mina ngala semuva ngakhuluma nomphathi we tournament. No man wena ngisekerele lo mfana mina ngilungise ngale indaba ze accommodation na yonke into. So ngiyabona mhlambe kunomuntu omtshelile ukuthi man umsindisi uyahamba.
Yini ngisole la eduze kwami nje.
Umuntu omdala kusuwe.
Ngoba ngiyasola ukuthi uyena umuntu wavala amasango.
No,
bamthatha lo muntu uSuthu.
Uyabona bagijima kabo Braroni. Muroka bagijima baya mangithola baye eNewcastle. Ngugogo mangizwa ke. Ngoba mina ngathi mase ngithola imininingwane ngithi ngiyaphuthuma ukuthola ukuthi sengilate ngabona nami ukuthi bangishayile labantu.
Ibhola coach.
And manje ngithi ke ngimisa ku under 17 but ke engakujabulela kwaba ukuthi namaZulu nawe emthatha le potential engangiyibonile bayibona and then wagcina ephenduka a first team player. Uyabona. So ngoba lokho kusebuqoka the end product ukuthi umntana uqala kuphe nemase simbona. So yiloko nje sikufunayo and it's not for thina as coaches, it's for South African football. Abantwana mele bakhule. And for thina angifuni sibheke ngerace but sengikhuluma nje nge family background where we come from. Majority yethu abafana bebhola siphuma kuma families la khona ama challenges nje akhona lapho nalapho. So ibhola kuba yinto esiphilisa iphindisa futhi nabazali bethu iphilise na family extended family members. Uyabona. So we must bona more of these youngsters being given the opportunity. Iyakutshela ukuthi iyasho ukuthi i-country in a future bright. Now under 17 qualify for i-World Cup. So ukuthi nje nathi manje sigqugquzela abadlali bethu ene uMaZulu sina ama structures of development from go under 13s all the way up to the reserve team. So these players they deserve or they need the exposure leyo ukuthi badlale ku World Cup. So it will be nice ukuthi sibe at least na one or two players ezingayazi ukhompyuta at that level. Ne value yazo yakhula, ne team investment yayabonakala. So kungakho nathi singabaqeqeshi babo first team senza ngakho konke ukuthi sibe very very close nama coaches aku development ngoba nathi la siphuma khona ila siqale khona i-game has developer. So ku important ukuthi nathi sibuyele la siqale khona kuze kube ne conveyor belt.
Coach, you touch based on the young stars, and the biggest question has always been, when do you then introduce these young stars to a senior team? At what
it is always easy to introduce the youngsters mase kunendlela yokudlala. Indlela yokudlala identity. Because identity abantwana bagraspa information kalula kunomdlali mhlambe sekanesikhathi ku PSL because maso deala ne season campaigner udila nama habits awesikhathi esidlule. But now deala nomntana obamba ngespeed mawuthi na system sidlala kanje kungakho ubona teams like abo Stellenbosch mothatha Stellenbosch ama players adlala ku first team bewedlala manje ku DTC against the Kaizer Chiefs reserve team because they are chasing for a position 1 ne Chiefs bayalo so babuyisa bonke abomdaka enozokhumbula umdaka owangapha but nami ngambona early ngamthatha ngamletha ku Chiefs before iChiefs release. So zonke lezo zinto lezo engizama ukubonisa zona ukuthi the very same player ukuthi ngikhohle igama mhlawumbe uPros omnceda number 11 West Ellis uphili yeah uphuma ku development yamaZulu so kuze kanjani futhi nje double up ulwandle lomfana ahambe akekebula sesimthole eCape Town ngoba mele aqale la ngetalent analo njengomfana waselona so kusoqoqa ukuthi ke into enganceda labafana ukuthi babone ukuthi ikhona iopportunity ngingazitholi sengihamba ngiye eCape Town noma ngiye eGoli noma ukuthi thina singamaZulu sibanikeza ithuba lokuthi babone ukuthi hayi man nakudlala intanga zethu kusho ukuthi ngingadlala kodwa kuko konke njengoba ngikhuluma ngeidentity ne-style of play esenza life ukuthi bajele kalula the leadership as well on the field in terms of our senior players understand that the structure sona ngokwaso bazokucoachela labantwana so that is why ubona kwamanye ama teams a lot of these youngsters they are doing well because sekunendlela yokudlala. You'll go back in the past and check ukuthi why bebe struggle or why abanye ba struggle manje ba struggle so because indlela yokudlala ayikahlali kodwa mase ihlala trust me abantwana ba grasp information kalula and baya excel kuyo nangabe bagadiwe mangithi ukugada usho bagayidiwa egroundini ama senior players abacoacha nawo anze ukuthi irresponsibility yabo yini egroundini uyabona so igame iyakhula kanjalo kungakho uzobona under 23 national team will be very strong under 20 national team will be very strong and the value of these players iyakhula you can now sell or import more players uyabona hambe bayodlala overseas so because into engasikhulisa as a nation ukuthi manje generation yamanje now bheki Pirates idlala ku Champions League uba no Corey last goal no how many years experience so zonke lezi zinto so manje thina samaZulu masibona lokho ayisho ukuthi asinabo abafana abanjalo but ke ukuthi sibakhulise sikhule nabo kodwa lokho kunida ukuthi sibe stable nabo bangenele la hayi kunzima njalo kuyaliwa silwela ukuthi siavoid relegation or silwela ukuthi sikuthi kumele bangene nabo babone ukuthi yazi ngikhula kahle la ngilwela ama honors uyabona yeah so yiloko so kwamanje we have abomashego who's doing very well for himself with pro konje sinobayanda angithi uguga kungifikela manje njoba kungifikela uguga amagama nokubaleka so we've got to Ayanda for me Ayanda very exceptional player especially number 10 he's going far he's going to be something else and then you have Umashego who can be number 10 and number 9 very clever player knows when to break ama lines you know and uyabona ukuthi lezo zinto lezo asikakazikhulumi kakhulu kubo asizinto esizicoacha already issue ukuthi umsebenzi osoyenziwe ku development ama coaches ukunceda ifirst team ukubreak ama lines zonke lezo zinto lezi zilay a very strong foundation and zinikeza labantwana ammunition yokuthi nabefika ku first team asisadili thina no coacha kakhulu thina sibeka istructure sidila ngama tactics asidili ngokucoacha ukuthi jika kanje phasa kanje trepa kanje because asinaso leso sikhathi masoku first team but ke mangizobuyela ku low level leyo ngucoach ngibuyela ngoba ngangilapho before ngi understand ukuthi lo mfana usashoda ngalokho nalokho. So umsebenzi wami ukuthi man ngimncede lo mfana akhule ngoba uyi-investment ye-clubs ngamane senza ama-extra sessions you know after the main session kube nama-specialized you know sidile nje nge-specificity la khona ke sekuthiwa wena wenza kanje nakanje nakanje uyazi ukuthi in 2 months time uzobe sikayilungisile ngoba ugrasp information kalula but it's always going to be difficult ukudila okuyenza nomuntu osemdala ngoba i-season campaign akuye sekazibonile eziningi so mawucala ukukhuluma ukuthi yazi kulamalanga utrip ibhola kahle but yazi uyangidawela lo coach akasho kuwe mara enhliziyweni esho ukuthi azi lo coach uyangidawela so ufuna ukungitshela ngokutrip ibhola nje manje and ukuthi all these years probably you got away with the mad akunganakeki bekaphuma kulawo ma situation kunganaki ukuthi lo muntu manje une problem e-first touch uyabona but ke masocala uyilanda deep uyabona ukuthi no une problem maso ngendlela esizofuna ukudlala ngayo singamazulu sidlale kuma tight spaces you know si eliminate si isolate and all those things ngoba sifuna ukudlalela ukudominate now landela amazulu lawo abo the late fire abo Gonondo Mnyama abo Julius Chirwa uJulia uGonondo Mnyama ngithi abo Simon Magagula mawulandele ya team layer ubhekele bekuyi arrogance kuphela bebezithemba kakhulu so ufuna ukubuyisa lento le so you also look at the attributes ama individuals esinawo ukuthi unani le engakukhumbuza abantu abasaphila ababona lokho laba bazohamba kusasa batshele nezingane zabo emakhaya laba basaphila ababona amazulu edominate so ukuthi mabe khuluma nalabo abazukulu nani ukuthi hey kunomfana ngithi mangimbuka ngibona ini kuyena ngibona uJoel ngibona uAchihadebe ngibona bonke you know lama players lawa afika la badlala a significant role ukuthi amazulu abe ne history enhle kanje.
Well coach uMandlakazi ubhekile ukuthi team ikwazi ukuthi igcine indawo yabo kwi top 8 and also doing well this season. What can you say kuma supporters oSuthu going to a final games ke ayo this season?
Ngingaqala nje ukuthi ngibabonge ukuthi babekezele abalandeli bamazulu babekezele sibaphoxa like kaningi hayi kanye okabili sibaphoxile kaningi kabuhlungu futhi sibanikeze hope nabo laba bajabula khona sibaphinde futhi abantu bafike nje bayidouble 3 points la kithi nathi masithi kuze mara kanjani so ngithanda nje ukubabonga ukuthi azange basijikele kukubi kunjani ene sikule position esikuyo manje basilandele khona engingazwa ubuhlungu kubo I think masidlala neChippa now you can imagine sidlala neChippa bheka ukuthi East London ikude kanjani and nemvula beyinethe endleleni ngibabona befika ngebhasi masiceda thina sadliwa iChippa angikhonanga ukulala lobo busuku ngicabanga bona nje ukuthi bathatha imali zabo zokugcina abanye lapho bazosupport i-team and asibaphanga nje ebebekudinga nje bekuyi 3 points nje kuphela so yiloko engizama ukudlalisa emakhanda wabadlali bethu ukuthi before siya kuthi mawufaka nje ijezi lamazulu ungene Moses Mabhida noma eKings Ulithini uphuma nje ethanelini nje uma uganda utshani ubuke emuva ubona bayingakho abantu abadala nje ucabanga ukuthi ngalomzuzu kube bayihlelele emakhaya abadlala nabazulu babona ukuthi bazosupporta wena bathatha imali zabo zokugcina basupporte wena ngifuna ukuthi nazi ke ukuthi manidlala nidlalela bona ngoba ubabakho loyo umkhulu wakho abanye benu ama blessings owatholayo lawo umuntu okulondoloza umuntu okulandelayo umuntu okuphushayo ukuthi uphumelele empilweni ngkhona so dlalela yena mawungafuni uku appreciate lokho uzo appreciate abantu empilweni ngoba probably chance yakhe yokugcina le umdlali, probably chance yami yokugcina le ngucoach. So angifuni ukuthi simess up ngama opportunities afana nalawo. Mele nje appreciate in 90 minutes nje plus singene lapha sijuluka igazi adabuka amasokisi nekhindi ubut pro bazothola elinye ijezi elisha. Kodwa masiphuma siloko sigcwele udaka kodwa masithi siyabheka sithi emadoda kule 3 points ingenile iloko. So ngizothanda ukuthi beze bangasipheleli inhliziyo.
Boya, but thank you so much for joining us. I'm just hoping ukuthi kuzohamba kahle, and also nawe coach unama plans makuphela le season, unama plans yokuthi le team njengoba ushilo yenze kahle and inika ama supporters lo 3 points abawubhekile. 5 games osusele and okumnandi abaningi bala ekhaya. I'm just hoping ukuthi nizokwazi ukuthi ni maintain iposition yenu niphinde futhi ngesizini ezayo sambe sodlala iMTN 8. Thank you so much for joining us namhlanje.
Ngiyabonga umuntu omdala.
Asibonga kakhulu. This is another edition ye Extra Time Unlock. We back next week.